So today I will be going to demonstrate my assignment 2 of JavaScript, that's the making a goal tracker web app. So I have already uploaded my code to the github.io, the GitHub pages. So it's already been on the server though. So this is what my website looks like. So I have created an input and I have added a input like a button over here that would add the elements. So if we try to add an empty element, it would throw an alert message, enter appropriate routine over here. So let's just add some routine. Complete assignment, do yoga. I guess it was on your video though. Work on Tuesday and Thursday. And if we try to like input white spaces on it, like gym and then a lot of white spaces, it would trim it and it would just take the string element over here only. So all the inputs that I've entered over here will stored in the list form over here. So as soon as I click on the complete assignment, you can see over here a line through is passed on it. And if we take the remove the cursor from that position particular, you can see over here its color has been changed to blue. And if whenever we hover the cursor over there, it would be in the green color though. And if you want to delete any data, you can just simply click on the delete one and it will delete the data and it will push the bottom element to the top. So delete. So the bonus part over here is I have used the local storage over here. So whatever the input I would be writing over here, you can see over here it's been stored into my local storage in a form of an array. So let's just quickly go to the code. So on the HTML file I have created an input and I have created a button over here, and then I have created a container in which I have created a list element. So over here I have called all those functions over here, and then I have created two methods, the add routine and the routine list, in which the add routine would add the item over here. So with the help of DOM, I have created the list element in which I have passed a simple if else condition. If the input value is equal to null, it would throw an alert. If it's not equal to null, it would append to the routine list. Then I have created the checked button and the delete button. And this one over here is for like whenever I would be entering any data into my goal tracker. So it would simply clear out the about of field. So it's for that only. After that I have created a remove item function over here and I have called it over here. So it's like it would, whatever element I am going over, it would target that particular element and it would see if I have checked if I clicked on the delete button or the check button, and it would work appropriate. If I clicked on the delete button, it would delete that element. If I clicked on the checked button, it would be checking that element. So you can see over here I have added animations over here, or else you can simply write action.remove. That would remove the element. But if you want to add animation, you can just create a class list over here, and on the style.css you can add the animation and you can call that animation over here. After that I have used the local storage over here. So for that, the documentation that you sent me, I looked into that documentation and I was successfully able to set and get the data over here, but I was not able to remove the items. So I have already done the set and get, and I have called that save routine function over here on the top. Over here I have called that function, but I tried to delete that function whenever I was calling that delete button over here, but I was not able to delete it somehow from the key element. Like I wasn't able to delete this ones, so I wasn't able to find the index of this element and delete it. So I have made couple of methods over here in which I have put over here like save routine dot remove item, but it would still delete the whole array instead of deleting the particular element. I have tried to create the index of each element and tried to delete by the index, but I was still not able to delete those elements. So if you find any solution, just let me know. So this was my demonstration for the assignment 2.